guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So today's video I'm super excited to show you guys because I'm trying to do a braid out with clip-in extensions, and I don't know why I never thought of this before, but I thought of it now. So the set that I'm using is from BetterLength, and this is their 16-inch 3A to 3B set, and I'm obsessed with it. I don't know, I was kind of going back and forth with whether I should get 18 inches or 16, but I feel like the 16 was just perfect for like my hair length already, and it just made it look a lot more natural, so I went with the 16. The directions do recommend that you wash your clip-ins with a sulfate-free shampoo while it's still in this little band that it's in, and then apply a lot of conditioner, and then I cut the band off and just let it air dry for about 20 minutes, and then I washed and conditioned my own hair. These are the products that I use for my braid out, and I got them from Walgreens for buy two, get one free. Shout out to you, Courtney, because I would have never known that, and I think that's such a good deal. So these are the first two pieces I'm going to use. This is 2 out of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and put one down, take some hair down, and then put the other on top, and then I'm going to apply product. This is just the easiest way for me to apply the product, in my opinion, to make sure that all the hair gets product on it. I'm just going to spray it, apply the leave-in, apply the Carol's Daughter product, and then the oil on top, and that's just how I was doing it. So now I just have 2 more 2-clip wefts, and I'm going to apply those the exact same way. But when I'm done applying these two, I'm going to go ahead and make my first 2 braids, and I'm just going to do 2 braids on both sides. So you can leave your ends like this if you want, but I really wanted the curl to look on my ends, and I didn't want them to come undone. And I watched this YouTube video of a girl, her hair was so beautiful, and she curled it, her whole entire head, with aluminum foil. So she basically just rolled it up and curled her hair. So I figured, I'll leave that link down below, by the way. So I figured I could do that for the ends of my hair, and that's what I did. So if you guys see the little silver things at the end of my hair, it's just aluminum foil. So for this set, and I think for the rest after this one, I'm going to go ahead and do 3 braids. So I'm going to do 2 on the sides and 1 in the back all the way up, just to avoid that awkward kind of middle part down the back of your head. So the closer that I got to the top, I decided to customize my clips. So these are going to be bigger ones that you guys see me cutting. And I cut them because I feel like they just fit in other places a lot better when they're not one big long weft. So if you need to cut and customize yours, definitely do that. I'm going to go ahead and customize these, and I think I'm going to end up with 2 more 2 clips and then 2 1 clip wefts, if that makes any sense. But like I said, if you guys need it more in depth, just let me know. And also, the camera switch is because my camera died, so this is off an iPhone. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish braiding. I'm doing French braids on the ones that are closer to the top, and the ones underneath are just regular braids. Okay, so I just finished up, and this is the next day. So I finished at about 3 a.m. and you guys see me taking them down the next day at about 4 in the afternoon. And I think my hair still needed time to dry. This is not 100% dry. It's maybe like 92%. So definitely do this when you have time to just sit around and let it dry. I probably would have let mine dry for about 2 days. Honestly, I feel like those are the best braid outs. But if you don't have 2 days, maybe get a hooded dryer. I did kind of speed up the process with the regular blow dryer. So whatever you have to do to get it dry. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result. I did diffuse it a little bit, so if it looks a little bit different from the previous clip, that's why. But I think it turned out really cute. I think it's a lot better than me straightening my hair for this summer, so I'm happy that I found something I can do instead of that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to let me know down below. I think I'm going to do a more in-depth video for you guys on where I place my clip-ins if you guys want it. If not, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!